Hi everyone, today we're working on something really cool. We've got a G81 M3 in for a CT designed carbon fibre spoiler. We are the only ones in the world who have one of these at the moment, so if you have a G81, get in touch and we can get a big spoiler onto your car. So first step to fit the spoiler is we have to remove the original spoiler, which is this little lip here. Really important to make sure that when you do any plastic spoilers like this, you do not use a toffee wheel. So it's a bit of a longer process to get it off, but we can't use toffee wheels. So we're going to have to take off with the fishing wire, put some tar and glue remover on it and leave it to set for like 10-15 minutes with some tissue over it. Hopefully it will soak in and we'll be able to get it off a bit easier. But we'll start with the fishing wire. We prepped the surface and we stuck down the spoiler. We only use tape. There is no need to tiger seal this into place because there's such a big surface area, you can put a lot of tape on. And then we're going to move on to these corner pieces here that go onto the window. And these are just taped on as well. That's the spoiler all done. The hardest part of installing it is taking the original one off because this is plastic and you can't really use a toffee wheel on it. So then once you've done that, it's really easy to stick on with the tape provided and that's pre-applied. So let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you're interested in any G81 or G80 or any G8X products, we'll put a link in the description to them below.